Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Honor 50 Lite. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Then choose Open. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Honor. Now select Send on Samsung smartphone and Receive on Honor. Then tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one. For example that one. Just send and tap on Got It. Over here you need to close this app by choosing No Thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Honor, choosing Allow or Only this time and pointing our device's camera at the QR code, but we can also input this key here and click on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!